Okay. Today we can learn about rounding of numbers. How can you round a number to the nearest tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place, 1 lakh place, and 10 lakhs place, then afterwards 1 crores place, then afterwards 10 crores place, and how can you round off a number to the decimal places also, we can learn here in this class. So it is very easy for us to round off the numbers to the nearest tens places. So before going to round off a number to the nearest tens place, first you have to observe that number is in between which two tens. For example, take 75. Round off this number to the nearest tens place. Take 49. Round off this number to the nearest tens place. Take 264. Round off this number to the nearest tens place. And take 5672. Round off this number to the nearest tens place. Now, for example, what is meant by round off the given numbers? So, before going to round off these numbers, all these numbers to the nearest tens place, first you can check here. Rounding number means that is nearer to which place. That is nearer to which place. For example, you observe carefully here. So, here the numbers on the number line 0 to 10 has written. So, the numbers from 0 to 5 are nearer to 0. Observe carefully. 1 is nearer to 0. Is it nearer to 10? No. 1 is nearer to 0. 2 also, it is nearer to 0. 3 also, it is nearer to 0. 4 also, it is nearer to 0. And 5 is exactly half in between 0 and 10. 5 is exactly half in between 0 and 10. It is exactly half distance. It is at half of the distance. Now, this 5 can be rounded to next greater place only. That means 5 and above 5, all the numbers can be rounded to upper place. That is round up to 10. So that means the numbers from 0 to 4, the numbers from 0 to 4 can be rounded to 0, and the numbers from 5 to 10 or 5 to 9 can be rounded to tens place. Tens. That means 5 is nearer to 10, 6 is nearer to 10, 7 also nearer to 10, 8 also nearer to 10, so 9 also nearer to 10. If a number is given 9, so that should be rounded to tens place only. In the same way, you observe carefully here, in between 10 and 20. Which numbers can be rounded to 10 and which numbers can be rounded to 20? That we can see here. So, the numbers from 0 to 15, that means less than 15. Less than 15, all numbers can be rounded to 10. That means what are the numbers which are less than 15? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All these numbers can be rounded to 10. And 5 or more than 5. That means is half of the number. In between 10 and 20, what is the middlest one? 15. So, from 15 and more than 15 are nearer to 20. So, those can be rounded to 20. So, whenever we are rounding a number to the nearest tens place, we should observe the ones place digit. Or otherwise, observe carefully everybody. Now here 75. Round off this number to the nearest tens place. To round off this number to the nearest tens place, 75 is in between which two tens? 75 is in between which two tens? That means it is in between 7 tens and 8 tens. That means it is in between 70 and 80. 70 is the lowest 10, 80 is the highest 10. So, 75 should be rounded to either lower or upper. Lower 10 or upper 10. So, what I am telling? Till less than 5. The digits which are less than 5 should be rounded to lower 10, and the digits from 5 or more than 5 can be rounded to upper 10. Isn't it? So 5 or more than 5 can be rounded to upper 10. Now 75. See here, 5 is there. 5 is there. So what I am telling, if it is less than 5, the next lower than less than 5. So it should be rounded to less than 5. If it is less than 5, round off to lower 10. And if it is more than 5, round off to upper 10. Now 75 is in between. It is in between 70 and 80. So it is nearer to 70 or 80. Exactly it is half of. Exactly it is half. కదా మధ్యలో ఉంది రెండింటికి 70కి 80కి మధ్యలో ఉంది 75. మరి 70కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తావా 80కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తావా అదే నియరెస్ట్ టు 10. So how many tens are there in 75? Observe carefully. 7 tens. That means this number comes after 7 tens. That means 7 tens after 8 tens. That means this number is in between 7 tens and 8 tens. That is 70 and 80. 7 tens is 70, 8 tens is 80. So, but it could be rounded to either 70 or 80. So, where should we have to check the lower than tens place. The next lower than tens place is ones place. The digit in ones place is 5. So what I am telling, if the digit in the next lower place is less than 5 to lower 10, we should round. Lower 10, that is 70. But here it is the next lower place, next lower than tens place is ones place. The digit in ones place is 5. 5 or more than 5, round off to upper place. So what is the upper place? 80. So 75 should be rounded to 80. This is the answer. Rounding into round off to tens place. That means that number is in between which two tens we should find out. Then the next lower place. If the next lower place is less than 5, lower 10. If the next lower place is 5 or more than 5, upper 10. Okay? Now see here, 49 also. Here also 49, you check here. It is in between which two tens? How many tens are there here? Ones, tens, 4 tens are there. 4 tens means this number is in between 4 tens and 5 tens. 4 tens and 5 tens. Rounded to which number? That number should be rounded to which place? దేనికి round off చేయాలి? మరి lower 10 upper 10. Lower 10 means 40, upper 10 is 50. The lower 10 means we have to see next to lower than tens place. What is the next lower than tens place? Ones place. What is the digit in ones place? 9. 9 is, see here, 5 or more than 5. 9 is more than 5. So upper place you have to round off. What is the upper place? So 49 is in between 40 and 50. So it should be rounded to 50 only. 50. Okay. So 49 should be rounded to 50 to the nearest tens place. Next 264. Here also observe carefully. How many tens are there? Ones, tens. Ante 26 tens. 26 tens means what is the place value? It is in between which two tens? 26 tens ante 260 and 270. It is in between 26 tens and 27 tens. It is in between 26 tens and 27 tens. So it should be rounded to which place? It should be rounded to, we should see next to lower than tens place. Next lower than tens place is 4. Observe carefully here, 4. Next lower than tens place is 4. Now what can you say about 4? 4 is less than 5. If it is less than 5, what to do? Lower place. What is the lower place? 260 and 270. This is 260 is the lower place, 270 is the upper place. So it should be rounded to 260. So 264 should be rounded to 260 to the nearest tens place. Understood? Like that, take one more example. Here it is given. What is this given number? 5672. This also should be rounded to tens place. And how many tens are there in this number? Observe carefully. How many tens are there? So 567 tens. 567. 67 after 68. That means 567 tens. 568 tens. But then round on. So 567 tens and 568 tens. That means 5670, 5680. Mani, we should round off to lower 10 or upper 10. Observe carefully, whenever you are rounding this number to the nearest lower place, we should see the next lower than tens place. The next lower than tens place is ones place. Digit in ones place is 2. But 2 is nearer to? 2 is nearer to lower or upper? Observe, 2 is nearer to lower place. So, here also the lower place is 70, 5670. So, it should be rounded to 5670. Understand? In this way, you can round off these numbers to the nearest places. So, here also given numbers. So, the numbers from, see, which numbers could be rounded to 0 or which numbers could be rounded to 10, which numbers could be rounded to 20 and which numbers could be rounded to 30, that all we can see. So here from 0 to 4, all these numbers can be rounded to 0 only. So 0, these numbers can be rounded to 0. So 5 to 10, all these numbers can be rounded to 10. Not only those, from here up to 14 also, up to 14, these numbers also can be rounded to 10. That means to round off the numbers to the nearest tens place. So which numbers could be rounded to 10? For 10 ki ఏ number ni round off చేస్తాము అంటే 10 ki ఏ numbers ni round off చేస్తాము అంటే the numbers from 5 to 14. The numbers from 5 to 14 can all these numbers can be rounded to 10. If for example, if 13 is given, round off 13 to the nearest tens place means 10. So 10. 5 నుంచి 14 వరకు ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ అన్నిటిని కూడా 10 కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో నెక్స్ట్ 20 కి ఏ నెంబర్స్ 20 కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తాం? సో విచ్ నెంబర్స్ కెన్ బి రౌండెడ్ టు 20? సో 15 నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు అన్ని. సో ఫర్ ఎనీ నెంబర్ 10 నెంబర్స్ కెన్ బి రౌండెడ్. ఫర్ టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ 10 నెంబర్స్ కెన్ బి రౌండెడ్. ఫర్ హండ్రెడ్స్ ప్లేస్ 100 numbers can be rounded. For thousands place, thousands number can be rounded. So like this, so 5 to 14 means totally 10 numbers. See here, 5 to 14. So 5 to 10, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 after 11, 12, 13. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers. So 5 to 14. 20 కి round చేయాలంటే from 15 to 24. So 15 to 24, these 10 numbers can be rounded to 20. For rounding off the numbers to 30, so 25 to 34. The numbers from 25 to 34, all these numbers can be rounded to 30. Now, in this way, you can round off these numbers to 10's place. So, whenever you are going to round off a number to the nearest hundreds place, observe carefully. So here 90 to 100. 90 to 100 means in between we have 95. So the numbers from 90 to 94. 90 to 94 can be rounded to 90 and 95 to 100 can be rounded to 100. Okay? In the same way, 200 to 300, 100's place. How many hundreds are there in between? Counting in tens. 200, 210, 220, 250. 250. That means this is in between. This is in between 200 and 300. And 240. The numbers from 200 to 240 can be rounded to 200. And 250 to 300 can be rounded to 300. Now whenever you are observing 700 to 800, observe carefully. 700 to 800. In between what we have? 750. That means the numbers from 700 to 740 can be rounded to 700 because all these numbers are nearer to 700. So rounding these numbers to 10. 750 to 800, all these numbers can be rounded to 800 only. Now here see, 900 to 1000. That means half of 100 numbers are there. 100 lo half 50. That means 950. So 940. The numbers from 900 to 940 are nearer to 900, so should be rounded to 900. And the numbers from 950 to 1000 are nearer to 1000, so all these could be rounded to 1000. So in this way, we can round off the numbers in tens place. So the same way here, lower place and upper place, if you are observing these two, easily you can different kinds of numbers. By taking different kinds of numbers, how can you round off them to the nearest tens place, hundreds place, thousands place? That we can see here now. Example. For example, you can observe. In the same way here also, what is given? 9,000 to 10,000. So 9,000 to 10,000 means how many numbers we have? 1,000 numbers. Half of 1,000 is 500. That means this is 9,500. 9,500. The numbers from 9,000 to 9,500 should be rounded to 9,000. 9,500 to above, all those numbers should be rounded to 10,000. In the same way, 20,000 place is given. That means 20,000 and 30,000. So in between 20,000 and 30,000, how many numbers are there? 10,000 numbers are there. 10,000 to half of the 10,000, how much? 5,000. So 20,000 plus 5,000, 25,000. That means this is the midest one. So 25,000. The numbers from 20,000 to 25,000 can be rounded. We are nearer to 20,000, and 25,000 to 30,000 are nearer to 30,000. That is rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10,000s place. Okay. Slowly, by taking the examples, if I explain, easily you can understand. But first you understand the concept. Understand the concept. What is meant by rounding off numbers? Rounding off numbers is nothing but, for example, you will go to a fruit market and you will take some bananas, apples, custard apples, something you will take, and the total bill will be 299 rupees 50 paisa. 299 rupees 50 paisa will be there. And this number is nearer to 300. So actually, will we have what? Are you using 50 paise nowadays? 10 paise, 20 paise, 50 paise, 1 rupee. Are you using? So that is negligible amount. That means comparing to 299 rupees, 1 rupee is a negligible amount, or 50 paisa is a negligible amount. So that should be rounded to 300 rupees. That means simply we will give him 300 rupees and we will come out. So how much is 299.50 less than 300? Just a 50 paise. It is just 50 paise. So will you ask for 50 paise? No, we will not ask. So that is nothing but rounding off numbers. For example, in olden days, if you are going for a Bata Chappal showroom, there what he will ask, so what will be the cost of one pair of chappals? Means 99 rupees 99 paisa. So like that he will do. So but how much we will pay him? We will pay him 100 rupees to that shopkeeper. And will we ask how much 99.99 is less than 100? 100 కన్నా 99.99 ఎంత తక్కువ మా? ఒక్క పైసా తక్కువ. ఒక్క పైసా యాడ్ చేస్తే 100 అయిపోతుంది. మరి ఒక్క పైసా అడిగి తీసుకుంటాము మనం. మన కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ చెప్పలు 99.99 rupees. But how much we have paid? 100 rupees we have paid. Will you ask for 1 paisa? That is nothing but rounding off numbers. Rounding off numbers. So decimals. Here these we are getting in decimals. But now we are telling in tens place, hundreds place. For example, see. So the cost of the we will go to a cloth shop and there we will purchase pant and shirt. And the cost will be 5,799 rupees. 5,799 rupees. And round off this number to the nearest tens place. That is nothing but 99. 99 means it is nearer to 100. Just if you are adding 1 rupee, 1 less than 5,800. So this is round off this number to the nearest tens place means. So this 5,000, if the total price will be 5,799, then we will pay him 5,800 rupees and we will compare. And this is called rounding off numbers. This is nothing but rounding off number. For example, to construct a house, it becomes 40 lakhs 79,000 999 rupees. Done. For constructing a house, this much will happen. And how much we will pay him? How much money we will pay him? That means by taking out this one, 40 lakh 80,000 we will pay him. That means how much it is less? Only 1 rupee it is less. So we are adding that 1 rupee also to him and we are paying 40 lakh 80,000. This is called rounding of numbers. Understand? Now, how can you calculate this to the nearest tens place or hundreds place or thousands place? That we can see here. Now till now we have observed for tens place. Now we can go for hundreds place. Round off the number to the nearest hundreds. For example, see here, 579, 6,286. Hundreds place ki round off chestunna. So 24,394, 815, 328, 554, 919, 969. Now observe carefully. All these numbers should be rounded to the nearest hundreds place. Now we have did for tens place. Now hundreds place. That means first of all you have to see that given number is in between which two hundreds? Which two hundred? See 500. So how many hundreds are there in this number? Ones, tens, hundreds. 5 hundreds are there. So that means this number is in between 500 and 600. మరి దేనికి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి? 500 కా 600 కా? మరి 500 కా 600 కా రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి అంటే వాట్ వీ షుడ్ సీ? వీ షుడ్ సీ నెక్స్ట్ లోవర్ దాన్ hundreds place. That means what is next lower than hundreds place? Tens place. What is the digit in tens place? 7. Now what I said? If it is 7, if it is less than 5, lower place. So if it is less than 5 అయితే lower place అంటే 500 కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తాం. అదే more than 5 or more than 5, upper place కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. Now in these two, which is the lower place? 500 is the lower place, 600 is the upper place. మరి దేనికి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలనా? We should see the next lower place, that is 7. 7 is more than 5. 7 is more than 5 కదా? కాబట్టి upper place అంటే 600. So 579 should be rounded to 600. 579 should be rounded to 600. Now here also you check this number. Now round off this number to the nearest hundreds place. This is also hundreds place only. To round off this number to the nearest hundreds place, what we should see? Next lower than hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? That means this number is in between which two hundreds we have to calculate. Which two hundreds? So see here, ones, tens, hundreds. That means 62 hundreds. That means this number is in between 62 hundreds. 62 after 63 hundreds. దేనికి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి? We should see next lower than hundreds place. The next lower than hundreds place is tens place. Tens place is it what? 8 means it is more than 5. So upper place what is upper place? Again 63 hundreds. Next, observe carefully here. 24,394. That means how many hundreds are there in this number? Observe carefully. Hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. That means 243 hundreds are there. That means this number is in between 243 hundreds. 243 hundreds and 2 zeros and 244 hundreds. That means so 24,300, 24,400. మరి 24,300 కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలా 24,400 కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో టు రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ నెంబర్ వీ షుడ్ సి నెక్స్ట్ లోవర్ దాన్ hundreds place. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిజిట్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ లోవర్ దాన్ hundreds place? ద డిజిట్ నెక్స్ట్ లోవర్ దాన్ hundreds place is tens place. డిజిట్ ఇన్ tens place is 9. 9 is greater than 5. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 9 is more than 5 or less than 5? more than 5. If 5 are more than 5, upper place ki round off cheyali. If it is less than 5, lower place. But it is 5 or more than 5. More than 5 got upper place. Ee renditlo upper place ante. So this should be rounded to 24,400. Now check here, 815. Round off this number to the nearest hundreds place. How many hundreds are there in this number? Ones, tens, hundreds. Only 8 hundreds are there. That means this number is in between 800s and 900s. But 800 ki round off chestava, 900 ki round off chestava is important. So to round off this number to the nearest hundreds place, we should see next to lower than hundreds place. Next lower than hundreds place is tens place. Digit in tens place is 1. 1 is less than 5. Yes, 1 is less than 5. So then round off cheyani lower place. In these two, which is the lowest one? 800. So round off to 800. 815 should be rounded to 800 to the nearest hundreds place. Now here also round off this to the hundreds place. How many hundreds? 300. That means this number is in between 300s and 400. But lower 100 can round off chestava, upper 100 can round off chestava. So that depends upon the next lower than hundreds place. Next lower than hundreds place is tens place. Digit in tens place is 2. 2 is less than 5. So 2 is less than 5. So lower place, that is 3. Okay. So 554. 554. So how many hundreds are there? 500. That means this number is in between 500s and 600. Should be rounded to lower or upper. But to check it is to lower or upper, we should see next to lower than hundreds place. Next lower than hundreds place is tens place. Digit in tens place is 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, upper place. So what is the upper place? 600. So 554 should be rounded to 600 to the nearest hundreds place. Now observe 969. So round off this number to the nearest hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? Ones, tens, hundreds, 900s. That means this number is in between 900s and 900s after. 9 after 10. Very good. 900s and 1000. 1000 is nothing but 1000. So this number is in between 900s and 1000s. So that means 900 and 1000. So it should be rounded to which place? We should see next lower than hundreds place. Next lower than hundreds place is tens place. Tens place is 6. 6 is more than 5. So upper place is 1000. So 969 should be rounded to 1000. 969 should be rounded to 1000. Like this, we can round off to the nearest tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now, so afterwards, again, you can see some more examples here to round off the numbers to the nearest thousands place. We can see. Okay? Yeah, okay. See here. 54736, 29642, 813619, 729189. So 3605219, 9876431, 7657212, 8347953224, 739765410. For example, these numbers, how can you round off and to which places it should be rounded off? So this number should be rounded to hundreds. Hundreds place. This should be 10,000s place. This should be 1 lakh. Round off this number to 10,000. round off this number to 10 lakhs, round off this number to 1 lakh, and round off this to 10,000, and this is 1 crore, and this is 10 crore. Okay, follow carefully. To write down this number to the nearest hundreds place, that means in this number how many hundreds are there we should see first. So how many hundreds are there? That means ones, tens, hundreds. That means 547. 547 hundreds. That means 547 hundreds. 547 after 7 after 8. 547 after 548. That means this number is in between 547 hundreds and 548 hundreds. To the nearest hundreds place we are rounding. So ఆ నెంబర్ ఏ హండ్రెడ్స్కి మధ్యలో ఉందో కనుక్కుంటున్నాం ఫస్ట్. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అన్న, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఎట్ లాస్ట్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ హౌ కెన్ యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఈజీలీ ద రౌండింగ్ ఆఫ్ నెంబర్. First, to understand, make you understand this process I am telling. Okay, so to round off this number to the nearest hundreds place, this number is in between which two hundreds? So go up to hundreds place and including with the 100, the above all places are in 100. That means ones, tens, hundreds, including 100, including 7, the above places all hundreds. That means this many hundreds are there in this number. 547 hundreds are there. In this number, how many ones are there? 1. And this many ones are there. That means 54,736 ones are there. How many tens are there in this number? Go up to 10 and more than 10. Up to ones, tens. That means up to here. 5473 tens are there in this number. How many hundreds are there? Ones, tens, hundreds. So 547 hundreds are there. How many thousands are there? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So here thousand. So 1000 and above 1000. So 54. So 54 thousands are there in that number. That means this number is in between 54 thousands and 55 thousands. Very good. Okay. Next. So the same number is in next 10,000s place crowd out cheyalante. That is how many 10,000s are there in this number? How many 10,000s are there? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. So 5 10,000s are there. That means in this number we have 5 10,000s and 6 tens. So that number is in between 5 10,000s and 6 10,000s. Okay. So now here we are going to round off hundreds place. So should be rounded to lower 100 or upper 100. See here 54,800, 54,700. But then round off cheyali, we should see next lower than hundreds place. If the next lower than hundreds place is tens place, digit in tens place is 3. 3 is less than 5. If it is less than 5, lower place round off cheyali. Renditlo lower place edi 54,700. So it should be rounded. So 54,736 should be rounded to 54,700 to the nearest tens place. Understand? So very very easy Nana. Just you can observe by observing this how many tens. If you ask for round of 10,000s place, how many 10,000s are there in that number you should see. If you ask for 1 crore place, how many crores are there in that number you should see. So that means that number is in between which two crores. Adi kuda raayali. If you are writing like that, easily it is to be upper or lower. Easily you can clarify. Now see here. Now 10,000 he is asking for 10,000. So how many 10,000s are there in this number? See. So it is in this number is in between which two 10,000s you have write. Which two 10,000? So see here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. That means how many thousands are here? 2 and more than. ఇంకా ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా అవన్నీ కూడా 10,000 ప్లేస్ వస్తాయి. But unfortunately here we don't have more digits. So 2 is 10,000 place. That means this number is in 2 10,000s. 2 10,000s means 20,000. 2 after 2 after 3. Yes, 3 10,000s. అంటే 2 10,000s కి 3 10,000s కి మధ్యలో ఉంది నెంబరు. దట్ మీన్స్ 2 10,000s is 20,000s. And 3 10,000s is 30,000. So, this number should be rounded to 20,000 or this number should be rounded to 30,000. That only we have to find out. Okay, so to find out that, we should see next lower than thousands place. What is next lower than thousands place? Next lower than thousands place is hundreds place. Sorry, 10,000s place. Next lower than 10,000s. So next lower than 10,000s place is 1,000s place. The digit in 1,000s place, 1, 10, 100,000. Digit in 1,000s place is 9. 9 means it is more than 5. 5 or more than 5. Upper place. What is the upper place here? So 30. 20,000 and 30. 20,000 is the lower place. 30,000 is the upper place. So this number should be rounded to 30,000. Okay, like this. Now here I will go fast. Now I think everybody has understood the technique. ఎన్ని హండ్రెడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్ని థౌజండ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ల్యాక్స్ ప్లేస్కి చేయాలి అంటే ఎన్ని ల్యాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూసుకోవాలి. క్రోర్స్ ప్లేస్కి రౌండ్ అప్ చేయాలంటే అది ఎన్ని క్రోర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఏ క్రోర్స్కి మధ్యలో ఉంది అది చూసుకోవాలి. దెన్ ఈజీలీ యూ కెన్ రౌండ్ అప్. సో నౌ హియర్ హీ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్ 1 lakh. సో హీ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ హౌ మెనీ 1 lakhs ఆర్ దేర్? సీ, 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. That means 8 1 lakhs are there. That means units, thousands, lakhs. That means this number is in between 8 lakhs and 9 lakhs. 8 lakhs and 9 lakhs. మరి 8 lakhs కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేస్తాం, 9 lakhs కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలంటే we should see next lower than 1 lakhs place. Next lower than 1 lakhs place is 10,000s place. Digit in 10,000s place is 1. Digit in 10,000s place is 1. 1 is less than 5. So lower place ki round off cheyadame. Lower place is 8 lakhs. So round off this number to 8 lakhs. Next, 10,000s. Again he is asking 10,000s. How many 10,000s are there? Units, thousands, lakhs. So how many 10,000s? 2. 70 to 10,000. That means this number is in between 70 to 10,000. 10,000 means 72 after how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 72 after 4 zeros and 72 after 2 after 3. 72 after 73. So 73,000. 73 10,000 under 4 zeros. So that means 73 10,000 means 7,30,000. 72 10,000 means 7,20,000. That means this number is in between 7,20,000 and 7,30,000. Should be round up to 7,20,000 or 7,30,000 we have to see. So for that we should see next lower than 10,000. Next lower than 10,000 is 1,000. 1,000 digit is 9. 9 is more than 5. Upper place. So upper place what? 7,30,000. Okay, round up that number to this. So here 10 lakhs is asking. 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs. So how many 10 lakhs are there? You see, units, thousands, lakhs. 3 10 lakhs and 4 10 lakhs. 3 10 lakhs is 30 lakhs. 3 10 are 30 lakhs. Thousands, units, 30 lakhs. 3 after 4 10 lakhs. 4 10 lakhs is 40 lakhs. So 3 10 40 lakhs, thousands, units. So this number is in between 3 10 lakhs and 4 10 lakhs. Mari should be rounded to 3 10 lakhs or 4 10 lakhs we have to see. So to that we should see next lower than 10 lakhs place. Next lower than 10 lakhs place is 1 lakhs place. Digit in 1 lakhs place is. Digit in 1 lakhs place is. So 6. 6 is more than 5. So right to the upper place. Now what is the upper place? 40 lakhs. So which should be rounded to 40 lakhs. Next, this 1 lakh, he is asking to 1 lakh again. How many 1 lakhs are there? Units, thousands, lakhs. 98 to 1 lakhs. Okay? 98 to 1 lakhs. 98 1 lakhs. Lakhs, thousands, units. That means this number is in between 98 and 99 lakhs. 99 lakhs. 1 lakh. So mari round off to 98 or 99. Round off to 98 or 99. 1 lakh round off cheyalante we should see next lower than 1 lakh's place. Next lower than 1 lakh's place is 10,000's place. Digit in 10,000's place is 7. 7 is more than 5. So upper 1000. So 99 lakhs round off cheyalante. Okay, next this one. 10,000 he is asking. 10,000. So units, thousands, lakhs. 10,000 means so 765 10,000s. That means this number is in between 765 10,000s means 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 765 after 766 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So units, thousands, lakhs. So units, thousands, lakhs. So 76 lakhs 50,000, 76 lakhs 60,000. But then round on cheyali 10,000. Next lower than 10,000's place. Next lower than 10,000's place is 1,000. Digit in 1,000 7. 7 means more than 5. 7 is more than 5. So write the upper 10,000. Should be rounded to upper 10,000. That is this one. This is the answer. Next coming to this one. 1 crore he is asking. Round up this number to the 1 crore. Next lower than 1 crore means how many 1 crores are there? You check. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. 83 crores. That means this number is in between 83 crores and 84 crores. Crores, lakhs, thousands, units. 83 crores and 84 crores. 84 crores, lakhs, thousands, units. So 83 crores and 84 crores. But then round up cheyalana. This number should be rounded to next lower than 1 crore. Next lower than 1 crore is 10 lakhs place. Digit in 10 lakhs place is 4. 4 is less than 5. So lower place. In these two, which is the lowest one? This one. So round off these two. Next 10 crores. 10 crores. How many 10 crores are there you see? Units, thousands, lakhs. 1 crore, 10 crores. So 7 10 crores and 8 10 crores. 7 10 crores is 70 crores. Crores, lakhs, thousands, units. 70 10 crores and 8 10 crores. 80 crores. Crores, lakhs, thousands, units. So 7 10 crores and 8 10 crores. 7 10 crores and 8 10 crores. So it should be rounded to lower 10 crores or upper 10 crores. We should see next lower than 10 crores place. Next lower than 10 crores place is 1 crores place. What is the digit in 1 crores? Ones, tens, units, thousands, lakhs, crores. 7. 1 crores place. Crores kada? 10 crores kada? 1 crores place is 3. 3 is less than 5. So lower, that is lower means 70 crores. In this way, you can round up the numbers to any place. Understood? Now, the easiest way of finding the solutions without it is in between which two places? Which two 10 lakhs? Which two 10 crores? Which two hundreds? Which two thousands? Which two 10 lakhs? అట్లా కనుక్కోకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా రాసేయండి. How can you write directly? That we can see now. Observe carefully everybody. Very easiest one. So whenever you are rounding into any place, we should see next lower than that place. We should say next lower than that place. For example, see here. 2876392 8456989 395 7015 82814963 627654 89714329 989-97969 329498 this. Now round off this number to the required place. For example, round off this number to 10 crores. Observe, this number is in between which two 10 crores? No need now. This is the shortest way of rounding off numbers. ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఏం చేశాను, దట్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ విచ్ టు 10 crores చూసాము, మరి లోవర్ 10 కా అప్పర్ 10 కా రాసాం. ఓకే, జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. సో 10 crores ప్లేస్ కాబట్టి యూనిట్స్, థౌజండ్స్, lakhs, crores. No crores are there here. 10 crores కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. సో it is next lower than 10 crores కాబట్టి. So if a number is less than the required rounding number, then that number should be rounded to the required place only. What is the required? What is required here for us? Round off this to the nearest 10 crores. But is there here 10 crores? This number doesn't have 10 crores. So round off that to 10 crores only. So if there are no 10 crores, round off to 10 crores. That much only. For example, you put just here 574 given also. 574 is less than 10 crores. So round off to 10 crores. For example, if the number has given 8,24,369, 8 lakhs is given. But if you want to round off this to 10 crores, 8 lakhs ఉండనియండి, 8,000 ఉండనియండి, 10 lakhs ఉండనియండి, 1 crore ఉన్నా కూడా 1 crore also less than 10 crores. So should be rounded to 10 crores. So it should be rounded to 10 crores only. So 10 crores, lakhs, thousands, units. Okay, next round off this number to the nearest hundreds. So whenever you are going to round off this number to the nearest hundreds place, we should see next lower than hundreds place. Okay, we should see next lower than hundreds place. If the next lower than hundreds place is, the next lower than hundreds place is tens place. Digit in tens place is, so units, thousands, hundreds place. Next lower than hundreds place is tens place. Digit in tens place is 8. See about 8. If 8, 5 or more than 5. If it is, observe carefully here. Same, this like only you will get. If it is 5 or for example, if it is less than 5, write the before number as it is. If it is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the before number. Observe carefully here. Very simple Nana. If you want to round off this number to the any place, the next lower than that place we have to see. If the next lower than that place, the digit next lower than that place is less than 5 అయితే ఏం చేయాలి? If it is 5 or more than 5, what we should do? If it is 5 or more than 5, what he is asking? Add 1 to the before number. Before number means to which place we are rounding? దానికి before number. So see here, hundreds place, next lower than hundreds place, tens place, digit in tens place, 8. 8 is more than 5. 5 or more than 5 కదా, 8 అనేది 5 కన్నా ఎక్కువ కదా. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? యాడ్ 1 టు ద బిఫోర్ నెంబర్. బిఫోర్ నెంబర్ ఎంత బిఫోర్ నెంబర్? 84569. ఇది బిఫోర్ నెంబర్. దీనికి ఏం చేయమంటున్నాడు? యాడ్ 1 ప్లస్ 1 ఎక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తారు? ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తారు 1ని. 1 should be added in the ones place only. Ones place కింద ones place వేయాలి. Now 9 plus 1 10, 6 plus 1, 7, 5, 4, 8. That means this number should be rounded to 84570. ఇక్కడ వరకు రాసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ వరకే రాసాం మనం. సో ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ హౌ మెనీ డిజిట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ హౌ మెనీ డిజిట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? దట్ మెనీ జీరోస్ యూ షుడ్ ప్లేస్ అండర్ దట్ నెంబర్. సో ఇక్కడ 8 తర్వాత ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయన్నా? 1 డిజిట్ ఉంది. సో 0 ప్లేస్ 1 0. దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ నెంబర్ షుడ్ బి రౌండెడ్ టు 8,45,000. సారీ 856. Okay, hundreds place. To hundreds place we are seeing next level hundred. Next level hundreds place is tens place. This in tens place is 8. So 2, 4, 6, 7. అంటే హండ్రెడ్స్ ప్లేస్ కదా, ఇక్కడ ఇది 2 జీరోస్ పెట్టాలి. హండ్రెడ్స్ ప్లేస్ నెక్స్ట్ లో హండ్రెడ్స్ ప్లేస్ 2 డిజిట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. 2 zeros you should place. So actually 84570 we got and 2 zeros. 1 0, another 0. So this is, so to the nearest hundreds place we should round off to 84,57,000. దీన్ని ప్రీవియస్ తో చెక్ చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. What we did previously, how many hundreds are there in this number? How many hundreds are there? 1 times 100, that means this many hundred. That means 8, 4, 5, 6, 9 hundreds. 9 after 10, 69 after 70, 569 after 570. So hundreds, this is hundreds. 84, 569 after 570, 00. So this many hundreds are there here. So this number is in between this hundreds and this 100. మరి lower 100 కి రౌండ్ అప్ చేయాలా, upper 100 కి రౌండ్ అప్ చేయాలా? upper 100. Upper 100 means this one. So 8457000. See, upper 100 కి రౌండ్ అప్ చేయాలి. మరి ఎట్లా వస్తుంది upper 100 అంటే? సో ఎందుకని upper 100 కి రౌండ్ అప్ చేయాలి? నెక్స్ట్ lower than 100's place is 10's place. Digit in 10's place is 8. 8 is there means more than 5 upper place. So దీనికి రౌండ్ అప్ చేయాలి. మనం చేసింది కూడా అది. Directly without writing these are directly we do. Okay? Okay? Now the next number you can check. Check the number. This one. Round off this number to 10,000's place. 10,000's place. Now how many 10,000's are there? This number is in between which two 10,000's? Ayani oddu. So whenever we should round off to the nearest 10,000's place, we should see next lower than 10,000's place. Next lower than 10,000's place is 1,000's place. We should check the digit in 1,000's place. If the digit in 1,000's place is less than 5, write the before number as it is and put zeros. Then if the digit next lower than that place is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the before number. Add 1 to the before number. So 10,000's place round cheyalante. So first divide them into periods. Units, thousands, lakhs. So 10,000's place is 5. Next lower than 10,000's place is 1,000's place. Digit in 1,000's place is 7. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the, see here. So 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the before number. Add 1. Before number ఏంటి? 7 కి before ఏంటి? 395. 395 ఒకటి యాడ్ చేస్తే 396. Then afterwards place zeros, all zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is rounding to the nearest 10,000's place. Round off the same number. So this number, round off this number to the next lower place. బాబు ఎంతసేపు చేస్తారా? ముందుగా ఇప్పుడు పక్కకి వెనక్కి మూవ్ చేస్తూ Okay. Now round out this number to the nearest, for example, 1 crore and crores place. So to round off this number to the nearest crores place, we should see next lower than crores place. Units, thousand, lakhs, crores. Next lower than 1 crore is 10,000 place. Digit in 10,000 place is 8. 8 is more than 5. So add 1 to the before number. ఇక్కడ గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని జాగ్రత్తగా నెక్స్ట్ లోవర్ ప్లేస్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అక్కడ నుంచి అన్ని జీరోస్ రాసేయాలి. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 జీరోస్ రాయాలి. దానికన్నా ముందర సో 8 ఉంది కదా, 8 కన్నా ముందర ఏముంది 82. సో యాడ్ 1 to the before number. 82 plus 1 83 and write all zeros. 2 2 3 2 2 3. Next this one. Round on this number to the nearest thousands place. So we should see next lower than thousands place. Next lower than thousands place is hundreds place. Digit in hundreds place 6. 6 is there means add 1 to the before number. ఈ మొత్తానికి ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయండి. 627 plus 1 628 and what to do? 3 zeros. Thousands place కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ లోవర్ దాన్ thousands place లో ఉన్న అన్ని జీరోస్ రాశారు. సో hundreds, tens, ones, zeros, 3 zeros. So that means this number should be rounded to 6,28,000 to the nearest thousands place. Round off this number to the nearest 10 lakhs. Round off this number to the nearest 10 lakhs. So to round off this number to the nearest 10 lakhs, what we should see? We should see next lower than 10 lakhs place. Next lower than 10 lakhs place is 1 lakhs place. Digit in 1 lakhs place you have to see. So units, thousands, lakhs, crores. Next lower than 10 lakhs place is 1 lakhs place. Digit in 1 lakhs place is 7. 7 means add 1 to before number. ఎందుకంటే 5 కానీ 5 కన్నా ఎక్కువ కానీ ఉంటే ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయాలి. దేనికి యాడ్ చేయాలి? బిఫోర్ నెంబర్. బిఫోర్ నెంబర్. సో ఏ ప్లేస్ అయితే ఏ 10 lakhs ప్లేస్ అయితే ఉందో సో నెక్స్ట్ లోవర్ దెన్ 10 lakhs ప్లేస్ ఇస్ 1 lakhs ప్లేస్ అన్నాం కదా. ఈ 1 lakhs ప్లేస్ కి ముందర ఉన్న దానికి మొత్తాన్ని ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో ముందర ఏముంది 89. 89 కి యాడ్ చేస్తే 89 plus 1 90. So write down 90 and from this place onwards all zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6. So units, thousands, lakhs, crores. So like this should be rounded to 9 crores to the nearest 10 lakhs place. So round out this number to the nearest 1 crore. We should see to round out this number to the nearest 1 crore. So divide this number into units, thousands, lakhs, crore. So 9 crores ఉన్నాయి. So next lower than 1 crore is equal to next lower than 1 crore place is equal to 10 lakhs place. Digit in 10 lakhs place is 8. 8 is more than 5. 5 if 5 are more than 5, add 1 to the before number. So 8 is more than 5. 8 అనేది more than 5 కదా. So add 1 to before number. 8 before number అంటే 9. 9 కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత? 10. 9 కి 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే 10. So write as many zeros after that number. So దీంతో కలిపి మొత్తం అన్ని 9s పెట్టింది. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So then what it will be? Units, thousands, lakhs, crores. So it should be rounded to 10 crores. Now round off these numbers to 10,000. 10,000. So units, thousands, lakhs, crores. Units, thousands, lakhs, crores. 10,000 ki round off cheyalante we should see next lower than 10,000's place. Next lower than 10,000's place is 1,000's place. Digit in 1,000's place is 9. Digit in 1,000's place is 9. 9 is more than 5. So add 1 to the before number. ikkade cheyi pettukoni undali. Next lower than 10,000's place, 1,000's place ikkade cheyi pettukoni undali. So more than that, add 1 to the before number. So 3294 కి ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయండి. 3294 plus 1 3294 plus 1 3295 and remaining numbers zeros. So including this, all zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So units, thousands, lakhs, crores. So 10,000s ante 4 zeros. Next lower than 10,000. In 10,000, how many zeros will be there? In 10,000, 4 zeros. So if you want to round off this number to the 10,000s place, write 4 zeros. 100s place ki round off cheyalante, write 2 zeros. Okay? Before number ki 2 zeros పెట్టడం ఆ తర్వాత అదే 1 crore కి రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ చేయాలంటే crores, lakhs, thousands, units. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7 zeros పెట్టారు 1 crores చేయాలంటే. So like that, number of zeros you have to place. Understood? So in this way you can find out rounding numbers to any place easily without any deviation. If the next lower place is 5 or more than 5, you add 1 to the before number. Remember carefully. And if you are rounding to 1 crores place, any zeros petali? 7 zeros. If you are rounding to 10,000, 4 zeros. If you are rounding to 10th place, 1 zero. If you are rounding to 100, 2 zeros. If you are rounding to 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs has how many zeros? So lakhs, thousands, units. So 10 lakhs means 3 plus 3, 6 zeros better. 10 lakhs means. Okay? Like that. So afterwards, easily you can calculate. So that is the rounding numbers. Okay. Now observe carefully about these decimal places. So to round off these numbers to the which decimals also given in the bracket, so we should round off these to those places. So for example, if you are taking the first one, round off this to the nearest hundreds place easily. So to which place you are going to round, we should see next lower than that place. Next lower than hundreds place is tens place. We should see next lower than hundreds place. That is next lower than hundreds place, tens place. Digit in tens place is 6. So that you have to keep your finger. Digit in tens place is 6. So if it is 6, 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the before number. Add 1 to the before number. 6 ki before emundrona 327. So 327 ki add 1. 327 plus 1, 328. And then place remaining all zeros. So how many are there? So including this 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 2 zeros under here and these 2 under here. Decimal part. This is a whole number part and this is called decimal part. The digits which are after decimal place are known as decimal part. The digits which are before decimal point are known as whole number part. Okay? So this is hundreds place to round off. Now round off this number to whole number place. Whole number means ones place. Whole number place is also known as ones place anamata. So to round off this number to the nearest ones place, we should see next lower than ones place. What is next lower than ones place? 10th place. That is 3. If it is 3 means less than 5. Less than 5. So less than 5. What to write? Write the before number as it is. As it is. Then game add cheyedu, em subtract cheyedu. Before number less than 5. Write the before number as it is. Etla unte atla raseyandi. Before number emundrona 5. So write the before number as it is. So as it is raseyandi. Now place zeros. Write zeros on. So 5 after 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1 zero, decimal part 2 zeros. If these 2 zeros has dot value, so that is nothing but 50. Round off this number to the whole number place is 50. And the whole number part. And the decimal part will look at whole number part and no, nothing should be in decimal part. Decimal part nothing is there means 50. Now first decimal place. First decimal place means this is first decimal place. This is second decimal place. Okay? You round off this to this place. So next lower than first decimal place what? Second decimal place. Digit in second decimal place what? 8. 8 is more than 5. So if 8 is more than 5, what to do? You add 1 to the before number. Deenki before anta add 1 to the before number. So we are rounding here to the first decimal place. To round off this number to the nearest first decimal place, we should say next lower than first decimal place. Next lower than first decimal place is second decimal place. Digit in second decimal place is 8. 8 is greater than means 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the before number. So the మొత్తానికి ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయండి. 799.5. 799.5 ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయాలంటే 1 means 0.1 only here. To ones place only we have to add. Before number we are adding. Before number add 1 to the before number. 799. So order this number to the first decimal place. So first decimal place means this is next order first decimal place is second decimal place. Digit in second decimal place is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the before number. దీనికి before ఉంటే add 1 చేయాలి. So one add is 5 plus 1 6. So this is 997. So this is equal to 799.6 and followed by zeros. Any zeros? 1 2. Any zeros రాసిన ఒకటే zero. This zero there is a no value. Now to round off this to the nearest tens place. Tens place కి round off చేయాలంటే we should see next lower than tens place. Next lower than tens place is ones place. Digit in ones place is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the before number. 369 కి ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయి. 369 plus 1 370. And అయిపోయిందా? Write all zeros. 1 2 3. 1 zero is under whole 2 digits and decimal part. So that is nothing but 3700. First decimal place. The first decimal place is easy. Next lower than first decimal place. Second decimal place. Digit in second decimal place is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the before number. So 9989.9 కి ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయాలి. That means first decimal place. Next lower than first decimal place is second decimal place. If it is more than 5, add 1 to the before number. ఈ మొత్తానికి ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో బిఫోర్ నెంబర్ 6 బిఫోర్ ఏంటి 9989.9 దీనికి ఒకటి యాడ్ చేస్తే సో 9 plus 1 10 9 plus 1 10 8 plus 1 9 9 9. So that is equal to first decimal place కి రౌండ్ చేయాలంటే 9990.0. Next third decimal place. Round off this number to the nearest third decimal place. We should see next lower than third decimal place. Next lower than third decimal place is fourth decimal place. Digit in fourth decimal place is 9. If it is 9, 5 or more than 5, add 1. So ఇక్కడ 9 అంటే 5 కన్నా ఎక్కువ కదా. So add 1 to the before number. What is the before number? 347. 7 కు యాడ్ చేసి 8. So 392.348. 392.348. And place zeros. How many zeros? 1 zero in place. Zero placing or not placing also in decimal place no. So 3 decimal, third decimal, only 3 decimals ఉండాలి. సో అందుకని 392. ఫస్ట్ డెసిమల్ ప్లేస్ అంటే ఓన్లీ ఒకే ఒక డెసిమల్ ఉండాలి. డెసిమల్ పార్ట్ లో ఒకే ఒక డెసిమల్ ఉండాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడండి 1 2 3 4 5 digits ఉన్నాయి. బట్ ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ డెసిమల్ ప్లేస్ కి రౌండ్ చేయాలంటే we should see next lower than first decimal place. Next lower than first decimal place is second decimal place. Digit in second decimal place is 4. 4 is less than 5. So write the before number as it is. Before number 7.9 as it is రాసేయండి 7.9. And write afterwards all zeros. 1 2 3 4 zeros. For these 4 zeros there is no value. So this is rounding up to the first decimal place. Next, round on this again first decimal place is asking. First decimal place round చేయాలంటే we should see next lower than first decimal place. That is second decimal place. Second decimal place digit is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the before number. 74.9 కి 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. 74.9 కి 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. 9 plus 1 10. Sometimes you can remember carefully. So 74.9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 10. 4 plus 1 5. So 7. So that is equal to 75.0. First decimal place. 75.0. Okay, rounding off numbers. Now round off this number to the nearest whole number place. Whenever you are rounding this number to the nearest whole number place means ones place. Next lower than ones place, 10th place. Digit in 10th place, 7. 7 is more than 5. So you add 1 to the before number. Before number 396 1 add చేస్తే 397. So 0.2 zeros. For these 2 zeros there is no value. That is whole number part is not open. And that means 397 కి round off చేసినట్టు. Now round off this number to the nearest tens place. Tens means not a decimal place, it is tens. ones, tens. Tens place, next lower than tens place, ones place, digit in ones place, 2. 2 is less than 5. So write the before number as it is, 973. 973. And put zeros. Any zeros? 1, 2. Decimal part mundara oka zero, point tarvata oka zero. But this zero is no value, so 9730 అయిపోతుంది answer. Next, third decimal place. Round off this to third decimal place. Third decimal place. First, second, third. To round off third decimal place, we should say next lower than third decimal place. Next lower than third decimal place is fourth decimal place. Digit in fourth decimal place is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the before number. The before number మొత్తం కూడా యాడ్ చేయండి. 7 కొని యాడ్ చేసి 8. That is 398. So 28.398 and zeros. 1 0 better. So for this 0 there is no value. So take out this 28.398 and third decimal place ki round off అయిపోయింది. Third decimal place ki round off అయింది. Now he is asking for fourth decimal place. To round off this number to the nearest fourth decimal place, we should see next lower than fourth decimal place. Next lower than fourth decimal place is fifth decimal place. Digit in fifth decimal place is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. If 5 are more than 5, add 1 to the before number. ఈ మొత్తానికి ఒకటి యాడ్ చేయండి. So 89 కి ఒకటి యాడ్ చేసి ఎంత అవుతుంది? 90. That means 7.9990 10. Okay? So he is asking for fourth decimal, but it became, unfortunately, it became the third decimal. 3 decimals వచ్చేసింది. So fourth decimal place అంటే 7.9990 అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. ఈ జీరో కూడా వాల్యూ లేదు కాబట్టి 7.999. సో ఫోర్త్ డెసిమల్ ప్లేస్ అయినా థర్డ్ డెసిమల్ ప్లేస్ అయినా ఒకటే అయిపోయింది. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే యూ కెన్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ ద నెంబర్స్ టు ద డెసిమల్స్ ఆల్సో. సో remember carefully, like this you can write different kinds of decimals, different kinds of numbers in thousands or hundreds or tens or lakhs, crores. Which period you want, you can write down and round up to the your own. Like this, if you are taking different kinds of numbers and practicing more, you will get easily. This is the easiest way of rounding off numbers. Okay? Thank you.